Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Kumar Shaw. So I have completed my B.Tech from the Netherlands Institute of Technology in the year of 2021. I am from ECE background, so basically I am from non-IT background. So after completing my B.Tech, I joined Q-spider in the year of 2023 in May month, and after that I have undergone training on various technologies. So here I have learned various technologies such as SQL, Java, and advanced Java, and web technologies. So all the trainers like Vishwanath sir, he really helped me to clear all my concepts, and Sachin sir, he also taught me very well all the concepts of core Java and advanced Java. And Hemant sir, he taught me web tech very well. So this helped me to crack the interview. So and also special regards to SKR sir, he always motivated us during our course, and thanks to Q-spider Kolkata for everything.